So now I'm inside the uTest Academy. Like you see, welcome to the uTest Academy. The Academy offers a range of courses to improve your skills as a tester. Learn new topics, get certified, and increase your tester rank to land the best paying testing opportunities. In the uTest Academy, like we see, we have many courses. So here we have around 23 courses, okay? And the number of courses in the uTest Academy is increasing around every month or something like this. So the uTest Academy courses can be divided into two types. The first type is the knowledge courses. In those courses, he gives you some knowledge about how uTest works or about how some types of testing are performed. So an example of those courses is the introduction to uTest. So in this course, like you see, he will talk with you about welcome to uTest, what is testing, and the uTest Academy. Another course like this is the API testing course, for example. In our course here, we are going to explain API testing using Postman in a separate section. But also in uTest Academy, he explains to you what is API testing and how it is performed. The other type of courses in uTest Academy are the courses that include practicing on real projects. So in those courses, he gives you some knowledge and then you fill a form in order to participate in a real project, and you don't pass this project until you find defects in this website or this application that he gives to you. So let's begin, for example, with the introduction to uTest course. So here he says what is uTest in this video, then uTest vision, the Academy. Let's click next. What is software testing? Of course, you should be already knowing what is software testing. And then we have the uTest Academy, okay, and what do you do inside it, and then you can take the quiz. So like we see, the practice test cycles in which you should get a project and you have to work on are those test cycles. Introduction to testing, computer testing, mobile device testing, Charles proxy testing, the challenge, and the Academy all stars. So if we return to the Academy, like we said, those are the only Academy courses that include test cycles. The first one is the course number 15, Introduction to Testing. But all the courses before this one only include some learning material and quizzes. So the first course, like we see, we have a quiz. So what is the uTest vision? So let's say help improve the products. Okay, what is software testing? Evaluating the product. I didn't read the content of the course, but I'm just guessing. What is the uTest Academy? It is a training program. So let's submit. Oops, I have a problem in the first question. So I can review the lesson, which includes the solution to this question. If I click here, so here, yes, this is the uTest vision, is to give you the opportunity to learn how to be a tester. Okay, so next, let's take the quiz again. You can take it as many times as you can. So give you the opportunity. Next, software testing, evaluating the product, uTest Academy training program, submits. So congratulations, return to the Academy. So like you see, I finished this course. The goal of the uTest Academy for you is to finish all the courses and participate in all the cycles beginning from course number 15. So course number 15, which is Introduction to Testing, let's see it so that we understand how the cycles work. You should watch this video, read those guidelines. Next, here it's talking about this cycle. Next, frequently answered questions. Next, and then we have some links that you might need, like how to write a defect report and so on. Let's take the quiz. So I should read the overview. Okay, so like you see here, I finished the quiz and answered all the questions correctly. So after this, if you look here, you will find this lock opened, and he is saying you have unlocked the practice test cycle. Sign up to get practice in a live testing environment. So now I will sign up to a project. So here he is saying you have successfully registered for an upcoming uTest Academy practice test cycle. So I will be waiting for an email from uTest with the link that I'm going to test. In this first cycle, you need just to find only one valid defect report. You need to apply what we have learned during our manual testing part of the course in order to find this defect. After this, the rating of your profile might be increased, or it might not be increased until you finish other levels of the academy. So like you see here, he checked the introduction to testing course as done. But this doesn't mean that I passed the project, okay? I just passed the course, but I need also to write the defect report and get it approved in order for my ranking to be increased. The same happens with computer testing project. After you pass the first one, then mobile testing, and this needs an Android phone or iOS phone, then Charles proxy testing, and then the Academy Challenge testing. If you participate in all these projects and do a good job in them, your rank will increase, and then uTest will begin to send you invitations to more projects.